I feel today content is the most important aspect, and be it male or female, like आज एक heroine का part या आज ये गाना a guy can't do, right? Like you need a actress to do it. Nobody would watch it if it was being done like that. So everyone has their part. In fact ये फिल्म सबसे बड़ा सबूत है उस बात का. इतनी बड़ी फिल्म है, इतने बड़ी स्टाइल पे बनाई गई है. रजनी सर हैं, मोहनलाल सर हैं, शिवराज सर हैं, रम्या कृष्णा मैम है, जग्गू दादा is there. I have a part to play. We are all playing parts in a movie, which is the vision of Nelson sir. So आज ऐसा दौर आ गया है कि nobody is shying away from playing a part because essentially जैसे कभी जब इंडिया मैच जीतती है तो कोई केयर नहीं करता कि किसने कितने रन बनाए. अच्छा लगता है जब सचिन 100 कमाता है, बट इट्स ऑलवेज नाइस दैट इंडिया जीतती है. सो फॉर अस द मूवी इज लाइक दैट. We want the film to do well, and when that does well, then everyone around it does well. So that's the point.
Do you think South industry is rooting Indian cinema?
I think I can't talk about an industry overall because that's a very big thing to say. But I can tell you one thing, sir, that we've not made a pan-India film. We've made a rooted, true to its region, strong, big, massy entertainer with probably the biggest superstar the country has. And but we're not trying to make a pan-India film here. We're trying to make a film जो लोगों से जुड़े. एंड वापस से जब हम कावाला जैसा एक सॉन्ग रिलीज करते हैं, ये हमारे लिए भी एक एफर्मेशन बन जाता है कि जब वो सॉन्ग अच्छा हो. अच्छा ये तमिल सॉन्ग है जिसका टाइटल तेलुगु है, you know, so that's unique. You normally don't have a Tamil song with a Telugu title. And now we've come to the Hindi audiences because we feel like our content is strong, that it will travel across languages. उसको भाषा की ज़रूरत नहीं है. तो I don't think it's one industry over another. It's only about when we are culturally so strong that whenever we take our culture and we celebrate it, वो automatically we are at least hoping कि पूरे देश तक पहुँचे. So यही हमारा प्रयास है.
తమన్నా ఏం కావాలా?
ఏం కావాలా? మీరు కావాలండి. మీలాంటి బ్యూటిఫుల్గా ఉండాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాను.
ఓ బాగుంది. ఓకే, యూ లవ్ డాన్సింగ్ అండ్ యు ఆర్ వెరీ ఎగ్జుబరెంట్ డాన్సర్. యు నో వాట్ డాన్సింగ్ మీన్స్ టు యూ?
आई जस्ट नो वन थिंग कि कोई भी मैंने आज तक किसी को गुस्से में डांस करते हुए नहीं देखा. मतलब आपको खुश होना पड़ता है. इट्स लाइक अ गिवन कि अगर आपको डांस करना है तो आपको खुशी में करना पड़ेगा. सो आई नेवर सीन अ वेरी एंग्री पर्सन डांसिंग और अपसेट. हैव यू सीन एन अपसेट पर्सन डांस एवर?
But I've seen people struggling. आप जिस तरह करते हो हम लोग का ऐसा नहीं है.
नहीं, struggle is a different thing. Have you seen someone sadly dancing? Nobody sadly dances. Everyone happily dances. So I think that's the kind of dancer I am, and that's the kind of dancer I've always been since I was a young kid. I just love dancing. It's a way for me to express myself. It's a way for me to channel my joy. And I love doing it with my loved ones in person and of course as a performer for the entire audience because they're all the people I'm actually doing this for.
Tamanna, this is a very good phase for you, you know, personally and professionally also. What would you like to sum up in 2-3 sentences?
I think today as a woman in 2023, it's very important to accept yourself the way you are. And the moment you start doing that, everyone starts accepting you. And I might have been one of those fortunate people who had the luxury of learning this through the growth of my cinema journey. But I could say this to everyone. It's beauty,